Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add secrets in Base44. First, open the Base44 app and log in to your account. Once you are inside, look at the top of the screen and click on Dashboard. From the dashboard, you need to enable backend features before you can use secrets. Go to Settings. Then click on App Settings. Scroll down until you see the option for backend features. Turn on backend features. Keep in mind that backend features are only available on a paid plan. If you are on a free plan, you will need to upgrade before this option becomes active. After backend features are enabled, go back to the main dashboard area. You should now see a button or tab labeled Secrets. Click on Secrets. Inside the Secret section, click on Add New Secret. A form will appear. In the first field, enter the name of your secret. This should be something clear and easy to reference later. Do not use spaces in the name. In the second field, paste your API key or the sensitive value you want to store. Make sure there are no extra spaces when you paste it. Once you have entered the name and the value, click Save. Your secret will now be added to the project. It will be stored securely and can be accessed by your backend when needed. Thanks for watching.